Listen, exercise 4.4, sum number 2, by the principle of mathematical induction, the same model. So, in this model, we have to put what step 1, n equal to 1, and then we have to put apply n equal to k, and then n equal to k plus 1. So, we have to follow 3 steps we are need to follow. So, how to prove this one? So, by using the working rule, we have to solve this sum. So, first step, what we have to need? Given is 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus and so on 2n minus 1 whole square equal to n plus 1 2n 2n minus 1 2n plus 1 by 3. So, first we have to do, let P of n denote the statement. That is given sum, I denote P of n. So, P of n means 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, plus and so on, 2n minus 1 whole square equal to n, 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1 by 3. Now, put n equal to 1. So, where we have to put, where we are having n, there we have to apply n equal to 1. So, P of 1. So, 1 square. So, here we have to put what? N equal to 1. So, 2 into 1 minus 1 whole square equal to, here also we have to apply 1. So, 1, 2 into 1 minus 1, 2 into 1 plus 1 by 3. 2 into 1, 2, 2 minus 1, 1. 1 into anything same da. 2 into 1, 2, 2 minus 1, 1. And we are having 1. In bracket also we get 1. 2 into 1, 1. 1, 2 plus 1, 3. By 3. So 1 square means 1. 1 into 1 into 3. So 3 will be cancelled. We get 1. So LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Step 1 will be over. Step 2. Step 2 what? Put n equal to k. That is P of k. P of k. So, 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square. 1 square, 3 square plus 5 square plus and so on. 2n k minus 1 whole square, this equal to, here also you have to apply k, 2k minus 1, 2k plus 1 by 3. So just here applied what? N equal to k, where we are having n, there we have to apply k. That's all. The step will be over. Therefore, P of k is true. Then assume that P of k plus 1 is true. Pass panna. Assume that P of k plus 1 is true. We have to assume. So, this step we have to prove. P of k plus 1 is also true. Like that we have to prove. So, now take n equal to k plus 1. So, where we are having n, there we have to apply k plus 1. So, 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus and so on. In the question they are given what? 2n minus 1 whole square equal to n 2n minus 1 2n plus 1 by 3 is given. This is question. 1 square, 3 square and so on is given. Clear? So here we have to apply k plus 1. Where we are having n, we have to apply k plus 1. So here 2 k plus 1 for this n, I applied k plus 1, minus 1 is there, whole square. This equal to k plus 1, here what? 2 into k plus 1 minus 1 k plus 1 for this n, k plus 1 again plus 1 by 3. Listen, we are applying n equal to k plus 1. So where we are having n, we have to apply k plus 1. So p of k plus 1. So 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square and so on. Here n equal to k plus 1. So for this n I applied k plus 1. 2 into k plus 1 minus 1 whole square. This is equal to k plus 1. 2 we are having 2. N equal to k plus 1 minus 1 and then 2. N equal to k plus 1 plus 1 by 3. So what they are getting? 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus and so on plus k plus 1, 2 into k plus 1, 2k plus 2, then minus 1. So 2k plus 2 minus 1 means what? Listen, 2k plus 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, 1 only. So straightly write 2k plus 1. Square is there, square. Equal to k plus 1. Here also 2k plus 2 minus 1. So what they are getting? 2k plus 1. 2k plus 2 here. 2k plus 2 plus 1. I take the 2 inside. 2 into k, 2k. 2 into 1, 2. 2k plus 2 plus 1 means 2k plus 3. So 2k plus 3 by 3. This only we need to prove. To prove. Now, this one we need to prove like this. So now I take the question: 1 square, 3 square, 5 square plus and so on, 2k plus 1 whole square. This is p of k plus 1. This is p of k and then p of k plus 1. So here before term is what? 2k plus 1. Before term is what? P of k. P of k statement is what? 1 square, 3 square plus 5 square and so on. 2k minus 1 whole square. So here I apply 2k minus 1 whole square. Now what do you do? Up to p of k I put in bracket because we already proved p of k is true. Already proved p of k equal to k, 2k minus 1, 2k plus 1 by 3. So for this bracket answer is k, 2k minus 1, 2k plus 1 by 3 is there for this bracket up to this P of k. Up to this P of k. So this is P of k. Remaining term is what? Plus 2k plus 1 whole square. Right. This equal to k 2k minus 1 2k plus 1. I take the LCM, so plus this 3 will multiply here means 3 times into 2k plus 1 whole square whole divided by 3. From this terms 2k plus 1 here 2k plus 1 whole square. So from this I take 2k plus 1 as common. This equal to here I take 2k plus 1 as common means remaining k into 2k minus 1. Three into already we are having taking out what 2k plus 1 we take common. So remaining term is 3 into 2k plus 1 by 3. This equal to 2k plus 1 k into 2k square k into minus 1 minus k 3 into 2k 6k 3 into 1 3 by 3. This equal to 2k plus 1 2k square minus k plus 6. So plus 5k plus 3. This 3 I written here. Now we have to find the factor for this term. 2 into 3 6. Multiply means you need to get 6. Add means you need to get 5. 3 into 2 6. We add means we are getting 5. So factor will be okay. But we are multiplied by 2 only. So we have to need divided by 2. So this 2 will be cancelled. 1 is a factor. Here 3 by 2 is a factor. So this one I write 2k plus 1. 3 by 2 I return 2k plus 3. This one k plus 1 by 3. So we need to prove what? K plus 1, 2k plus 1, 2k plus 3 by 3. K plus 1, 2k plus 1, 2k plus 3 by 3. So we get the answer. So we have to arrange k plus 1, 2k plus 1, 2k plus 3 by 3. Therefore, therefore P of k plus 1 is true. We have to write what? P of k plus 1 is true. Like that we have to write. And then by the principle of mathematical induction, write the question. 1 square, 3 square, 5 square and so on. You take the write the question here. That's all, right? And then hence prove. So from this exercise, like this only we are having the sums we are having. So same model in the example sum also we are having. So example sum yourself we have to try in at home. Suppose we are having any doubt means make a WhatsApp. Clear? And then here this equal to we have to solve. 6 mark question means for this solve only they are giving 3 mark. Remaining 3 mark for step 1 and step 2. Clear? Take down.